What if I told you that 92% of people never achieve their goals? Not because they're not capable, but because they lack one thing. But here's the secret. The strongest people don't rely on motivation at all. Let me show you why. Most people think determination is about willpower, but science says otherwise. It's actually about identity. The moment you start seeing yourself as someone who never quits, your brain starts acting that way. The reason most people quit? They focus on short-term motivation instead of long-term identity. They wait to feel motivated instead of training their mind to stay committed. The strongest minds don't ask, "Do I feel like doing this?" They ask, "What would a determined person do?" The moment you start thinking this way, quitting stops being an option. But first, let me show you the biggest mistake that's making you lose determination. Because if you don't fix this, you'll always struggle to stay committed. Determination isn't about how you feel, it's about how you think. Train your mind and you'll never need motivation again. If you're ready to build unshakable determination, hit that subscribe button now. Because winners aren't the most talented, they're the most committed.